Hungria. All set now, ready to race. Good luck on your pick 6 tickets, race number 3. And they're up, Veracruz, Santa Fe running down on the inside. Catalea racing in third, then followed by Red Warrior. Moving up is Adamas. Don Joaquin down on the inside, followed by Dance with a Queen. And So Lucky is in behind them, heading towards the 600 meters pole. Veracruz followed by Catalea in second, and racing in third is the stablemate of the front runner, and that's Santa Fe as they round towards the 450. Veracruz, Catalea remains in second, and moving up Santa Fe, Red Warrior racing in fourth, Adamas, Don Joaquin, and down the stretch they come. Veracruz, Catalea remains in second, racing in third, Santa Fe, Don Joaquin, and down the stretch and leading the finish line, Veracruz by about 6 lengths. Catalea remains in second, Don Joaquin, Adamas, and finally, Veracruz, Catalea, Don Joaquin, Adamas, Santa Fe, Dance with a Queen, Red Warrior, So Lucky.